Alright, we have done one half, I guess 3/4, and then it's been not a nice day. It's been mostly rainy all day, not heavy but raining all day. So now we're gonna finish this side, and probably not the top because it has lots of cutting and it will be too late. But man, look at that, a nice roof. Alright, so except for the last piece there at the top that requires a lot of cutting, the roof is done. It's beautiful and it makes the house look nicer, like lighter, newer, with no mold on the top of the roof. Alright, joint is finished. So these are temporary because I'm going to do the other side at some point this summer, and then this joint is finished. Screw is very tight. So unfortunately here we had a bit of a mess. I put some plastic on top and it got stuck into the silicone. Like this joint too is temporary because I'll be doing this roof later in the summer. But yeah, before doing the upper floor I have to fix this one because right now we can't really walk on it, it's too weak. So I have to strengthen the roof first, unfortunately. Alright, let's go. Look at that nice roof.